My name's Bradley Rolf. I'm in facilities maintenance, and I basically just maintain all of our properties and branches in the winter and summer. I've used some other platforms that weren't as easy to navigate and stuff, and it just seems like FMX kind of has it down to a T. It's a simple ticketing system. It's not hard to maneuver. We got a couple guys that are, I'm not gonna say, they're a little bit older, you know, and stuck in their ways, but if they can do it, I think anybody could do it. And I don't wanna put the libraries behind, you know, they got staff and patrons that show up and they wanna be there. So like if we're not doing our job, then people aren't gonna show up. So I was born and raised in Cincinnati. I grew up going to about 4 or 5 of our libraries. It was always a magical time, you know, you were always happy to go there with your grandma or your mom or something. So when I'm at work and I see those kids kind of roll in, it kind of gives me those same memories, and it just makes me want to, you know, give them that magic a little bit.
My name is Joe Godbey. I'm a maintenance supervisor for the Cincinnati Hamilton Public Libraries. I oversee a group of 5 maintenance techs, and I'm in charge of all 40 branches. With the FMX ticketing system, we can go through and look at closed tickets and see, hey, this problem's been at this branch in the past, and this is because my guys give a nice detail on how they repaired. They don't just say fixed. They actually give me a good description of what they did to fix the problem, so we can go back and look at those tickets in the future and see if it's a consistent problem. I think FMX just speeds everything up. We've had several times where like a water line is blown, and in the old days it would take hours to get somebody out there before they realize it actually happened. And now with a quick FMX ticket, within 5 minutes I can have somebody en route. Honestly, we can use it for training purposes if we need to. So if we get a new employee that comes in, he can look at the tickets, go en route with the guys, and the guy's like, look, here's what I did, here's how it fixed, and here's how it's maintaining today.